By the Spirit of faith, which is God's providential presence, even in the most confusing events. Let us pray. For the Holy Mother, our bishops and priests, may they continue to inspire us with their persevering faith and their hard work for the good of all